Hi there, I'm Fernando Díaz, the co-CEO of Olipes. We are a company that has dedicated 30 years to keep all the gears and engines from around the world turning, thanks to our comprehensive development of more than 2,500 lubricating, oil and automotive grease product references, as well as our capacity to deliver on time to any location in the world. Of the many traits that define Olipes, we can count on the professionalism of our technicians, the efficiency of our processes, the commitment to our clients, and the constant support that builds strong relationships in the long run. But what really differentiates us is innovation. Time changes, and we must adapt to the new technologies that are driven by the energy transformation, which is constituting a great challenge for vehicle manufacturers, and that's where Olipes' innovate capacity stands out. Because at Olipes, we strongly support the research and development of new, efficient and environmentally friendly lubricants designed to increase the vehicle's efficiency and durability. At Olipes, we manufacture tailor-made lubricants to meet the needs of OE manufacturers, assembly plants and, of course, the maintenance operations required throughout the vehicle's lifetime. If you are looking for a partner that can help you increase the performance of your engines, transmissions, gearboxes, wheel bearings and more, whilst reducing production cost and extending the lifetime of the parts that you manufacture or assemble, don't look any further. Olipes is the right company to have by your side on the way to success.